Good morning, children. Welcome to all of you, math class. Children, let's continue our chapter 6, algebraic expressions. Last class, we have already discussed what is algebraic expression, types of algebraic expressions. Okay, types means monomial, trinomial, binomial, polynomial. Okay, what is constant, coefficient and powers. And also we discussed like and unlike terms. Now we will discuss about degree of an algebraic expressions. Okay. So what is the degree? The degree of an algebraic expression depends upon the power of variables present in it. Algebraic expression can be in one variable or two variables or more. Let's see one example. For example, children, you see 5x cube plus 6x plus 8. Here one algebraic expression is given. Here how many terms are there? Here 3 terms are there. That is 5x cube, another one is 6s and another one is 8. In 5x cube, children, the power of variable x is 3. Here you see, here 5x cube means the power is 3. Okay. In term 6x, the power of variable x is 1. Hence the degree of 6x is 1. If the term plus 8 has no variable, so the power of variable in it is 0. Okay. So 5x cube power is 3, 6x power is 1 and 8 has no variables, so the power is 0. Now the highest power of the variable in the expression 5x cube plus 6x plus 8 is 3. Okay, because 5x cube has the power is 3. So the highest power is 3. Hence the degree of algebraic expression 5x cube plus 6x plus 8 is 3. So we conclude that the degree of an algebraic expression is the highest power of the variable in that expression. Clear? Then another condition here, if two variables are there in an expression, then what we'll do? To find out the degree of an algebraic expression in two variables, consider a polynomial, that is x cube y square plus 3xy square plus 5xy plus 8. Children, here you observe that two variables are there, that is x and y. In the term x cube and y square, the degree is considered to be 5. Why? Here just we add the power. 3 plus 2 is 5. According to the rule, when the variables are multiplied, the powers are added. Here x and y are multiplied, so their powers will be added. 3 plus 2 is 5. The 3xy square has a degree of 3 because x has 1 degree and y has 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 5xy has a degree of 2. Okay. And 8 has 0 degrees. The highest power of variable in the given expression is 5. Clear? Hence, the degree of expression x cube y square plus 3xy square plus 5xy plus 8 is 5. So here two conditions are there. How we get the degree? Then see some examples. Example 2. Find the degree of the following polynomials. 4x square plus 1 plus 4x to the power 4 minus 3x to the power 3. Here children, you see highest power. Highest power is 4x to the power 4. So the degree is 4. Then B bit you see 5aq plus 4a square minus 7a plus 5. Here easily you can see 5aq. So the degree of the expression is 3. Like this you see C bit. Here two variables are there, x and y. So here you add their variable, their degree. Then you get your answer. So 3x square plus 3x square y cube z square. If you add, what you get? 3 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 7. So 7 is the degree of this expression. Example 3. Find the value of x square plus 2ax plus a square if x equal to 2 and a equal to 3. Here children, very easy. Just we put their value, x value and a value in this expression. Then we get our answer. Okay. So this is about your degree of an algebraic expression. Again you read properly. Then next video we will discuss about the exercise. Okay children. Thank you.